Hi everybody, this is Ginny with Art Among the Flowers. This is our first succulent workshop. We have a nice group of ladies here today. Because of COVID-19, we're keeping our distance and we only have 6 girls today. So we are making succulent gardens in a wine bottle. So look what we have done here. Look how beautiful these are. We put 3 succulents in a bottle. And we've added charcoal and soil and rocks and butterflies, and they are just coming out so cute. Let me see what you've done here. Are you having fun?
This is so fun. They're so cute.
They are so
And you're not from Post Coast, are you?
No, I'm from Maryland.
Oh, cool. So all the way from Maryland. Look
This will
at that.
travel nicely home. I'm very excited.
Okay, wonderful. And we'll try to find a box for you, too.
Thank you.
Okay. Hey, Sandy. Let's
Hey.
see yours.
So
Wow, beautiful.
Fun.
Let's see. Hey, Susie.
Hello, thank you, Ginny. This has been so fun.
Oh, wonderful. Well, we had a lot of
So
fun on our
beautiful.
first succulent workshop, so thanks for visiting. And if you want to attend one of our workshops, I think we have an ant over here. Just visit artamongtheflowers.com and check on our class tab. Thanks.